Good morning. Hold on, I gotta edit the title. 2922. There we go. Good morning, fam. Whoops. Live at premium members. Cool. Good morning, everybody. Just getting some things set up and then we are ready to go. Live on YouTube. All right, so before we make the watch list, a couple things I want to talk about. Yesterday, I did have a red day. If you guys were trading with me, it was a very small loss. So I just want to go over that trade real quick, the reasoning behind it, why I got two different entries, and why I eventually got stopped out. So yesterday on SPY, and actually, we'll come back to this fib down here. But yesterday, I was watching SPY. We had this push up in the morning, followed by the consolidation. So what is this? A bull flag. What is a bull flag? A continuation pattern to the upside. Where's the best possible entry to get in during a bull flag or a bear flag? Off VWAP or off the 8 EMA. So if we're looking at this 5-minute chart on SPY, we can also take our Fibonacci retracement from the daily low at this point to the high point right there, which also gives us retracements at 50% and 61.8%. So this setup looked beautiful for an upside move. Absolutely beautiful. So I ended up getting my first entry once we came down and we touched that VWAP on this candle right here. I got filled at 2.2. So $220 per contract. That was my first half fill, and then I wanted to get the second half fill off this 61.8. So when SPY came down and hit my 61.8% retracement and did exactly what I like to see it do, which was, I believe it was this candle right here, or no, this candle right here, one of the two candles right here. That's when I got the second entry for $207 per contract on the other half of my position. Now, SPY tried to break. It sat here and consolidated for a very long time. It tried to break out here. My first trim was going to be at 400.3, and it got up to 400.24, and then just melted, hit my stop loss at 1.93. My 1.93 for the contracts was when SPY would be trading at around 3.5. So, or it was like 399.4 at first, and then it moved up to like 399.5. And then this was the candle that stopped me out. So very small stop loss. Again, the whole point of trading is to identify low risk, high reward setups. Yeah, I lost money on Friday. Yeah, I lost money yesterday. But if I have a nice winning trade today, it's going to make back all those losses plus much more. But yeah, that's trading. So welcome to the trading game. Anyways, there was a different fib level that I actually ended up watching yesterday. It was towards the end of the day and I was on FaceTime with GD. If you take this low point to this high point right here, we got the 61.8 way down here. So I'm on the phone with GD and I'm like, this is the bottom today. And unfortunately, I didn't take the contracts, but you can see once we got down, we hammered, then we dojied, and then we just ripped for the rest of the session. So unfortunately, I didn't catch the move, but I get bragging rights for saying that was the bottom. Anyways, so if you guys could, real quick, make sure to click that like button. 156 people in here, 44 likes. You guys know the drill. If you guys want the watch list, 150 likes. How did everybody else do yesterday? Again, good morning, everybody. Is there a specific contract you put on deck to get filled in? Yeah, typically at the money. Hey, you got the hard copy. Let's go. I hope you enjoy it. But, yeah, let me know how you guys did. Let me pull up my watch list for the week. And then let's make sure we don't have anything on the economic calendar today. Or let's see what we do have today, actually. Ooh, home price index, 9 o'clock, and consumer confidence at 10. We definitely want to pay attention to that. Green, red, took out on SPY. Again, small losses, big wins. That's the name of the game. Here's the other thing, too. A lot of people, they get discredited or not discredited. Oh my God, that was a completely wrong word. People get emotional just over red. Like it doesn't matter how small the stop loss is. They just look at a red trade like it's the end of the world. But you got to be comfortable with seeing red. Again, if you're using proper risk management, you could have super, super, super small red days. But again, people they let it get to them. They could lose $5 and they'd be super upset because it's just a red day. It's going to happen. So keep the losses small, yet discouraged. Discouraged was the word. I'm tired. Leave me alone. Anyways, so the one thing that I wanted to talk about before we made the watch list today was Dixie. Remember, we have been talking about this for a very, very long time. The 200-day SMA on Dixie. Hasn't seen it in over a year. And then going into this week, we were getting super close to it, and we actually pretty much hit it. It was 16 cents off. It might have hit it this morning because I think it might have moved up. Yeah, more G Fuel. Let's see, it's at 105.21 now. So today it actually got even closer to it. But what we are seeing on the daily time frame for Dixie, remember when Dixie goes up, market goes down, and vice versa. Look at these buyers here. Price dipped all the way down to here, and they drove the price all the way back up. Same thing here. Dipped all the way down here, drove price all the way back up. Dipped down, drove price all the way back up. This is looking very bullish, meaning we should probably be a little careful to the upside on SPY and QQQ unless, again, we get some numbers and Dixie just destroys that 200-day SMA. But as of now, it's looking like the buyers are front running this thing and wanting to push it. So keep that in mind. And let's see. Hey, you got the book. Let's go. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Let's make the watch list today. Let's see. But yeah, again, remember, we have news at 9 and we have news at 10. Yep, Hood Rabbit, that's the best thing you can do. Follow your trading plan. Even if it was a losing trade, it's still a win. Let's see. Apple, don't care about at all. APA, looking for the swing there still. Boeing got smacked yesterday. I was looking for the continuation, but I guess not. I was only interested above those highs right there. Dollar General looking for the swing. McDonald's still looking for the swing. Honestly, if we could pull back to like 270.38, just the daily 21 EMA, I'm going to be looking to enter McDonald's swings. Nvidia, good morning, Don. Good morning, Chuck. Channel members, as always, greatly appreciate you guys. Let's see, Nvidia. It's got a ways to go. We can actually watch Nvidia both ways. So we'll throw Nvidia on the list. Nvidia, Dave and Buster's looking for the swing. That actually looks really good. So keep this one on your radar. T-Row, I didn't like that anymore. Texas Roadhouse. We'll take a look at Win again. Also, if you guys caught that first bounce off of that 1 hour 8 EMA on Win, it went up like $1.20. I don't know if anybody was actually able to catch it. Let's see, Texas Roadhouse, I'll look for the bounce today. UAL got smacked. Eli Lilly, still waiting for the breakout there. And then Spirit Airlines got smacked as well. So, out of the weekly watch list, I only like Nvidia. Take a look at SPY. Again, it did bounce off of that retracement yesterday, which was pretty key level. This low to this high, bounced right off the 61.8. The only thing is, we're starting to stack down. We did close below that daily 8 EMA. And it kind of looks like we had this little bear flag going into market open. So Maybe a bounce at 395.14. If that fails, the next bounce level I would be watching, we are nowhere even near it. Nowhere. So, what about this? Possible reject? Possibly. 39863. Let's see, we took that high to low. We can also take this high to low. Need a little more of a pump to get up there, though. If the market does pump today, I will look at this. 399.25 and 400.23. But as of now, I'm going to watch 398.63 for a reject on SPY. Also, I'm less than 100 subscribers away from 35K. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that. Help your boy out. Definitely looking to hit that today. But yeah, over 900 videos on the channel teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. It would mean the world to me if you guys would run it up. But yeah, I think below 395.14, we're going down. So SPY, QQQ. Actually, we bounced right off of that weekly person's pivot yesterday to a T. 281.77. 30-minute squeeze looking to fire down. I don't think... Let's see, I don't think QQQ's near any fibs. Yeah, 278.79. 276.53. We already got too close to that 61.8. We would need a pretty good pump to get up there. All right, SPY and QQQ kind of undecided today. We're not really near any bounces or rejects. So it's going to be interesting. Maybe just look for the break below 283 for puts. Break above 284.82 for calls. But we will put QQQ on the list. We'll come back to that here in a minute. Let's see. Good morning. AMD. Still just consolidating. I'm surprised it's not squeezing. But it's trying to reclaim that trend line. Not really interested in it though. Amazon actually looks kind of strong. I'd say if the market can get some momentum, I'd be interested in Amazon above 95.15. Cool. Let's get Amazon on the list. Amazon. And then news today is at 9 and then 10. 9 and 10 today. We already looked at Boeing. Don't trade Baba. Don't trade Coin. Costco. Looks terrible. Google don't trade. Meta. Meta is still flagging. Don't care about it. Microsoft don't care. Netflix. Not like loving these setups today. Are they hot today? Oh, Baba did have a gap up. I don't know. Nah, I'm not going to trade Baba. I've been screwed too many times by it. We looked at a video. Let's take a look at Oxy. Oxy don't care about. PayPal don't care about. Let's look at Shopify. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 900 videos teaching you on how to trade for completely free. So if you guys could run up the subscribe button, it would mean the absolute world to me. We are super close to 35K subs. Anyway, Shopify, not really interested in. And then Tesla. It's going to be a small watch list today. Really thought Tesla was going to break down yesterday, but I guess not. Got a little ascending triangle right here on the 1 hour for Tesla. Maybe a bounce like 182.50. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that level. 182.50 or the break above could get it above 186.88, take it to 188.5. Yeah, Tesla's definitely going on the list today. Tesla. Perfect. We'll take a look at PDD, but again, what happens with the China names, the options don't really load in the first 5-10 minutes, so it makes the move in the morning. Can't really even trade it. But yeah, PDD does look good. Just not something I would trade. Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, Amazon, Tesla. So let's start with Amazon. That was actually my favorite setup. So I would be interested if we get above 95.15. Again, what's really gonna dictate the market today is going to be the housing data at 9, and then consumer confidence at 10. But Amazon does look good above that level. 95.15. Yesterday's high was 96.4. Then let's see, 95.42 is your weekly person's pivot. After that, daily 21 EMA, and then nothing after there. 101.26. Let's see. 97.45. Use ThinkorSwim. That's what I'm using. Boom, 97.45. Cool. Let's watch Amazon. How many likes we got? I see we got 273 people in here. I better see 150 likes. Woo, you guys are down. 128. Make sure to run it up to at least 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list today. Let's see, Brandon trades. Amazon. Looking for a break above 95.15 for calls. It's starting to equal 95.42, 96.4, 97.45. I think where I would be interested in puts. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be interested in puts until it's like below 94. I will watch for puts below 94. 1 hour squeeze. Looking to fire up. 4 hour squeeze, undecided. There we go. There's Amazon for everybody. And then, let's see, SPY was next on the list. Yeah, it looks like we're going to come down and test yesterday's low. So that would be like the one area I would look for a balance. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, we're already done. Way past that. That's the only level I have for a possible bounce. If we break below that, then we're definitely going lower. Definitely going a lot lower. Actually, hold on. Did we take this low? Can't remember if we did. Oh yeah, that's way, way down there. Never mind. Yeah. So, getting down towards that weekly pivot again. 924. I mean, yeah, if we fall below there, as far as person's pivot, say 391.58. 9.58. All right, cool. Let's get Amazon, or not Amazon, SPY on the list. But real quick, before we type that out, in case you guys did not know, I do have a trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages on Amazon, where I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. So if you guys want to check it out, plus I talk about support and resistance, all the indicators I use, so on and so forth, you can find that using this link right there, the tiny URL. But yeah, tons of good reviews. If you guys want to check it out and learn from me, use the link. Anyways, 395. I mean, I know 395 is a key level too from the past. So like in between 395 to 395.14, I'll look for a bounce. But if we break below there, we're probably going a lot lower. Given what's happening with the Dixie, I would be very careful. SPY. Let's see. Bounced off a longer term fib yesterday at 395.14. I will be looking for a high risk bounce in this area if price falls below. No, I have all of them selected. Could go a lot lower. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. We're getting close. 35K, it's on the way. I'm gonna hit it today. But yeah, so SPY breaking below 1 hour bear flag. Boom. All right, so there's SPY. I'll get more reject levels, but only when the market's actually open and moving. I'll find some fibs. QQQ is the same thing. The only area. Yeah, no, we're breaking below that too. Huh, okay. So I'm pretty sure we already looked at the possible bounces. Now, yeah, I mean, QQQ kind of undecided here. This is just breaking below as well. So I would say watch it at yesterday's low. But below there, it's got the room down. It's got a 30-minute squeeze. It's looking like it wants to fire down. Weekly pivot. So yeah. Then we'll watch right there for a possible bounce, 280.5. So, get this out. Again, market could rip today. I could be completely wrong. Got 335 people in here. I like it. I like it. QQQ breaking below the 1 hour. Whoops. below 1 hour trend line as well. I will be watching for a high risk bounce at 281.75. If price falls below there, we could see 280.5. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Again, continue to run it up. We're super close to 35K subs, and it would mean the absolute world to me. I go live every morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 900 videos teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. I don't sell a course. I just post a lot of stuff on YouTube. The only thing I sell is my book. That is it. So, tons of free education. Price falls below there, we could see 280.5, and then below there, we'll use Uncle's levels. Post this Dixie chart too, so people know. By the way, Dixie is looking super bullish. If you know, you know. Hopefully you know, because I've talked about Dixie so much this year. You know, we're already trading below that. Let's go, Brandon. Who is Anderson? All right, SPY, QQQ, Amazon, and then the last one was Tesla. I don't think I'm gonna watch Nvidia. Let's take a peek. What's Nvidia looking like? I mean, honestly, we could watch Nvidia both ways. Break above 160.1 or break below 159.1. It's just in that narrow range. Just depends on how much movement it could actually get. But I think Tesla, that trend line, I'm going to watch it closely. We're at 174 likes. I like it. You guys are doing better now. But yeah, possible bounce at this trend line at like 182.50. Or the break above 186.88. Or if it just breaks down, then obviously look for puts. So, let's get this Tesla out. And then resistance points. Cool. Where'd everybody go? We had 300 something people. Everybody left. Oh well, their loss. Tesla currently in a 1 hour ascending triangle. I will be looking for a bounce at the trend line around, what was the price I said? Quitters. 182.3 to 182.5. 2.3 to 182.5. Let's see. I'll be looking for a bounce at the trend line around 182.3. Or a break above 186.88 for calls. Price target, let's see, 188.5, 189.97. 192.97. Boom, there's Tesla. And then maybe we'll put out an NVIDIA. I want to see what happens with the housing numbers, because that's what's going to be really important today. SPY, QQQ, we could put Dixie somewhere else, and then we had Tesla, Amazon. We'll put Dixie over here. Actually, hold on. Why Win gapped up again? Was there more casino news? It's fallen now, but I want to know why it gapped up again. Dixie. Rip it. I write it out on Discord and then I post it in the chat once you guys run it up to 150. But you guys hit the goal today, so you guys will get it. All right, so before I drop the watch list, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in my live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So there's Amazon, there's SPY, QQQ. Again, Dixie is looking bullish. Keep that on your radar. And Tesla. Boom. So I guess I'll hang around for a few minutes, answer any questions you guys got. Other than that, you got to trade safe today. Trade smart as always. Market's in a really weird spot right now of indecision. So just got to stay patient, take the best of the best setups, use proper risk management. That's all I can say. But yeah, any questions you guys got? DG is squeezing. Yeah, I'm looking for a swing there. Looking for the swing. The only issue is I don't want to swing anything going into tomorrow, because tomorrow is when we have our GDP and we don't know what the numbers are. That's the only issue. So any swings will be super high risk. Day ripping? Oh, Dixie ripping, yes. It's just your resistance and support points on your pivots. What else we got? Yeah, it depends. What does the stock have room to and what does it not have room to? And typically I just go at the money, so the very first one or two strikes. So like Tesla, if we do bounce off this level, 182.3, I'll look at the 185 calls. Or if we break below, I'll look at the 180s. And then SPY, if we were to bounce off 395.14, I'll do 396. No, I don't play news like that. Market won't even be open either. Playing news is a gamble. What else we got? ThinkorSwim. Right there. ThinkorSwim. Yes, PT is price target. And again, if you guys want to learn more about my strategy, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, 450 pages, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Boom. But yeah, I go over support and resistance, all the indicators I use, chart patterns, so much more. Check it out. When I'm trading SPY, I always do the next expiration. So I only trade the Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. I don't trade Tuesday, Thursdays. So I'll be trading Wednesdays options today. Tomorrow I'll be trading Friday. Thursday I'll be trading Friday. And then come Friday, I'll be trading Mondays. So yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are the expirations I use. Never do 0 DTE either. I see people get screwed by it all the time. No, trading futures, you can trade futures contracts, but not a lot of people do. One, because they're stupid expensive. You just long or short the actual futures. And then you make X amount of dollars for every 1 point it goes in your favor or it goes against you. Because the Tuesday, Thursday expirations, they're new. And I don't like them. I like my Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Gotta stay in the same routine. Again, I always go at the money. You know, never trade 0DT. Stay away from that. Learn my lesson. You can make a lot of money with 0DT, but it's got to go in your favor right away. And anything against your initial position, like a tiny little pullback, probably stop you out. But that's going to wrap it up today. I'm going to get ready to hop off. Let's see. Hey, Brandon, can you slide your stop loss on Interactive Brokers? To be honest, I don't really trade on Interactive Brokers too much. I just have it as a backup account. So there's probably a bunch of tricks that you can use. I just don't know about it because it's not my main platform. Use ThinkorSwim a lot. Hey, that's exactly what I eat every single morning. Oatmeal, blueberries with a protein shake. That's how you get jacked. That's how you stay focused for the market. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. Again, make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel. I'll be live again tomorrow at 8:15. And if you guys do want to join the Discord, trade live with me and a bunch of other traders, make sure to sign up using the link right here. And you can be in there before the market even opens today. So use the beacons link. I've never used Webull, so can't really speak on it. But yeah, everybody take it easy. Everybody have an amazing day. Let's make some money, and I will talk